okay, this is okay. Why is this happening? Green candles everywhere. Focus. Stay calm. Stay calm, everybody. I used to own a yoga studio, by the way. Yoga changed my life. My body was messed up, and so if you need to calm down, it's the prana that separates yoga from any other practice, meaning the breath, the way you breathe through the movements. That's what's up. It's meditative. Why are we seeing so much green? What's going on? We just had an explosive candle. I did my research. Check this out. In conclusion, okay, this is what we're looking at. Okay, what market data says? Bitcoin recently surged, breaking local resistance near 90,850. Stay calm. We just hit 94,000, by the way. I'm going to show you the chart that's live right now as we speak. Solana and other top cap coins are showing strength too. It's interesting that we're talking about Solana's a top cap coin. It's down. It's down. What number are we at? Is Solana down? Number 9, number 8 market cap? I can check it. Actually, I want to look at that right now. What market cap is Solana? It is exactly at the number 6. Okay, number 6. That's exactly what we've been talking about this whole time. Ooh, a little bit of green, or a little bit of red sneaking in there. A little bit of red. Let me stay on track. Stay on task here, Hopper. There's renewed buying interest. Recent outflows from Bitcoin-focused ETFs have coincided with inflows into other assets, hinting at rotation with crypto rather than total capitalization. Okay, in short, green candles today bounce. Yes, we're seeing are real, reflecting renewed appetite among traders, investors. Why does this feel fragile? That's what I was, because it does. It feels a little bit fragile, ladies and gentlemen. Even though there's a recent surge, Bitcoin has also seen a pullback, dropping close to 90 after spiking up. It's just getting whiplash on the neck, man, watching these candles flap around like this. The broader crypto market move is still sensitive to macro factors. Many in the space are watching for upcoming Fed decisions, economic data that could reverse sentiment quickly. That's tomorrow. I mean, whatever the Fed says, we're seeing, I think, some of this priced in right now prior to the meeting. Fed is meeting today, but the actual meeting to the public is tomorrow. Market strength appears concentrated. While major caps like the Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, XRP, that's what we talk about here, are holding up, that doesn't guarantee the broader alt market rebound yet, especially with mixed liquidity flows and cautious sentiment. Okay, here's the full-on what it means. The bounce and green candles today could reflect a short-term rebound and a relief rally, not necessarily a flow-blown bull run. Still, with major support in macro catalysts looming, institution, policy shifts, ETF flows, this could be a pivotal setup for a larger move if volatility stays favorable. Okay, the topic of the conversation is tomorrow's Fed meeting. That's all there is to it. Tomorrow's Fed meeting. Let's look at some charts. Okay, the Fed's showing down here at the bottom, people, if you can see that, down low. Let me just scooch it up just a hair. 89.6% chance there's going to be a Fed rate cut. This was 87, so it did come up a little bit. We need to keep our eye on that. Bitcoin chart, I'm just going to run through this right quick. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that green candle. Look at this green candle. Okay, here's the major thing that I want to show you. My trend line right here, as you can see, and right where, here, let me put an arrow. Right there excites me because we crossed this resistance level that I had up here right around that 92,000. We're going up to the next resistance, which is the 94.5, and it touched it, came back down. That's what we're talking about. See, we're having these explosive moves, but it's not confirmed yet If this candle closes above this support and my trend line, I feel like we're going to turn it around. This is the official indicator. And then we also got to check the volume and the RSI. If the RSI creeps above 50 or above, it's all indicators of the next move up. And then you look at Ethereum. Woo! Ethereum just jumped. Okay, since December 1st, 25%. Okay? The one candle today is approximately, let me see what the one candle is. This one candle today is up. I'm going to go up to the wick. 10.5% move today on Ethereum. Okay, I got lines all over. It's all crazy. I'm not going to get into depth right now, but just look at this chart, people. Just look at this chart. If I zoom out a little bit, look how big that green candle is. My goodness, ladies and gentlemen. My goodness. XRP, big green candle to hit the resistance. See, we're testing all these next levels. All these next levels getting tested. Solana, big green candle. I can just, you know what? It's not on here, but I can just look at this and I can see right where this resistance level is right here. It's exactly right here where it's bouncing. Boom. Boom. 144. 144. Look at that. Okay. A lot more details in technical analysis here. We're not going into it. The SPY. Hey, what's up? Okay. That's stock market talk. The only reason why I have this chart up because I did purchase a call option. We're not talking about that right now on the SPY, which I don't do very often. That's very risky. Purchasing call options is very risky. Okay? So, hey people, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Just show you these green candles, these charts. I've got some more work to do to bring you more information, but green candles everywhere, everybody. That's what we like. Don't get too crazy. Stay calm. Stay focused. Let's just wait to see what the Fed has tomorrow. I'm going to watch closely. I'm going to have, you know what, I'm going to record it live. The Fed meeting, I'm going to have on the monitor right here as it starts. And we're going to be looking at things as it goes. I'll be recording for you right here to feed you the information on what this Fed meeting does to the markets tomorrow. It's a pleasure, everybody. Thank you very much. If I'd like to get that thumbs up right there, please give me the sub. Most importantly, can you share this video, please? Share this video. Build some hype. When we create the positive sentiment with things, it has a tendency to be contagious. Share this video, please, if you would. That way we can kind of move forward with my personal goals and things, and I'm going to keep sharing the information. Check out these 2 videos if you want a little more, and we'll go from there. Thank you for checking in. Crypto Hop signing off, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your day right here. I'm going to check in. I think I'm going to get back to you this evening if anything else pops off. If not, focus on tomorrow. All right. Peace out, everybody. Peace out.